Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to this pre-market report. If you see market repeatedly, I told the risk reward is not favoring going long for a trading purpose when market was approaching that 18,000 mark. I even clearly told music can end any time, and if you are still in the party, then heavy chances of getting stuck, because when the party ends and when the music stop, everyone wants to get out of the room and you might be stuck there. And repeatedly I told risk reward does not favor going long closer to 18,000 level, because market is now not at 15,200 but it is at 18,000 level. So people have to understand the time frame for which you are trading, the stocks to pick, what are the views you are having it based on both national and international news flow. All these are very important, and that is where experience and expertise matter. And I'm sure the difference between knowledge and wisdom lies in that experience, which is very important as a trader. Now if you look at SGX Nifty, it is indicating an open around 17,700, and Brent crude now is around $95 per barrel. Most important is for short term dollar index, it is clearly trading above $108, and this number above 108 for short term is not good. FII continue buying, but then they have already bought much for the last 12-13 trading session. What will they do from now on plays a very important role. If you see Nifty future, now the strong support zone is 17,500 and resistance is at 17,800 to 18,000 zone, where market clearly took resistance before coming down. Also, let me tell you, most important is market will be now very stock specific and broader market participation, that is mid and small cap will start now showing their move. And also as an F&O trader, you have to keep in mind this week we have the monthly expiry for the August month. You just don't have the weekly expiry. The monthly expiry is coming on my birthday day, that is 25th of August. And this Thursday, markets will be waiting for new clues for the next series to open and the next big move to make. And according to me, markets will consolidate. I don't expect any sharp fall in the market. I'm only looking for some amount of time consolidation and some amount of profit booking to shake out all the bulls who bought closer to 18,000 level. They have to be taken out, and even weak bulls who are there in market, they have to be also wiped off. So yes, markets will do that move of profit booking and time wise consolidation. It has already started on Friday, can continue, but I am not at all heavily bearish or we have just seen a big reversal, market will collapse in a big way. I don't see any indications as such, but for sure the risk reward was not favoring a fresh long position when index was at 18,000 level, or when Bank Nifty had already approached those levels closer to 39,500 to 40,000 zone. This is where the experience and expertise matters a lot. And 2 days before, I clearly hinted from Wednesday onwards that yes, party might end anytime. Be very careful. And later on, what you saw on Friday is just the move of profit booking, which was repeatedly hinted to you guys. Now, I want each one of you to understand time wise consolidation will happen in market. No big reversal or big fall in market as of now. I don't see that to happen, and let the data points come out, but I definitely see broader market to outperform, and market can still make an attempt, because we have the monthly expiry this Thursday. An attempt can be made again trying to reach those levels closer to 17,800 to 18,000 zone. But I'll be very careful, be very stock specific, leave the index aside and see the opportunities in a lot of stocks. Had a fabulous day, and last 3-4 days was one of the best times of my life. I'm sure you can see that in my energy. In fact, on Krishna Janmashtami, I was in Guruvayur taking blessings of Lord Krishna. And this is only possible because Krishna has given that energy, that power, and that blessing on me to give that kind of a darshan at Guruvayur, and that too on Krishna Janmashtami. That was on Krishna Janmashtami, but just next after that day, I'd been to again Shabarimala. I think I did not even count, even though there was that mad rush. I had close to 7 darshans in Shabarimala, again and again and again and again, and different pujas and different ceremonies which was all happening. I was just part of it. Again, all God's grace and blessings of Ayyappa. So 7 darshans I had of Ayyappa when I had been this time to Shabarimala, and after that I had a fabulous program, met a lot of people like you who are there, and so many of them came only because of Rudra to the program. They all enjoyed the 3-day residential treat. Some of them will be asking, can we get an online video or online link of your program? And you think the program sponsors are guys who will leave all that video free of cost to you guys when others have just paid and attended the program? So please understand, in life some amount of commitment is surely needed. In fact, large amount is needed if you want to make large money. Don't expect everything on your fingertips. In fact, I was teaching them and I told, just because you are in WhatsApp, don't expect Rakesh Junjunwala to send you WhatsApp message. Now he might be no more, but I'm trying to tell you there are so many wizards of market who put in their sweat, time, effort, everything to research stocks for trading and investing, and just because you are in WhatsApp and you expect them to forward that what stock to buy and sell to you on WhatsApp, you know what effort and commitment you are putting, and the result what you get is what you already know. So if you want to make big money, you have to be ready to make big learning and also put in that big effort required in order to make money. In fact, making money in stock market, I will say, is not easy as told by many social media gurus. But once you attain that amount of maturity and that amount of expertise in market, money flows to you. That is where you have to continue your learning process to attain this particular level, which comes with a lot of hard work, continuous learning, and tons of commitment. And I'm sure all these learnings, whatever I'm just sharing to you and more in live market hours, I'll be writing that in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy. Do follow, do be a continuous learner, do enjoy the whole program. And a lot of people who attended the 3-day residential program, they have just even written on Twitter about their experiences. I will do even share and retweet the same to you in my Twitter handle. Just have a fabulous trading session, and thank you so much for watching. Signing off, Rudramurthy.